Curious George plants a seed. Jumpy Squirrel was very busy. George was curious. What was Jumpy doing? Bill, the boy next door, told George. Jumpy buried acorns and nuts. He stored them in the ground. He can dig them up later when he is hungry. That gave George a great idea. George buried the orange juice. He buried it in the butter. He buried it in the bread. He was glad to find a good place to store food. When the man with the yellow hat came home, the kitchen was empty. Where was all the food? George proudly showed his friend. George, orange juice and bread are not buried. The man with the yellow hat said, they cannot be stored in the ground.